Welcome to PSLE Maths, where you find solutions to PSLE Math problems. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you. Let's now look at 2019 Raffles Girls Primary School Prelims paper, question number 17. This is a 5-mark question. Mr. Wong bought a number of red, blue, and green balloons. The ratio of the number of red balloons to the number of blue balloons was 5:4, while the ratio of the number of blue balloons to the number of green balloons was 3:7. After bursting some green balloons and buying another 168 blue balloons, he found that there was a decrease of 25% in the total number of blue and green balloons. In the end, the number of red, blue, and green balloons he had was 1440. Question A, how many balloons did Mr. Wong have at first? Question B, how many green balloons were burst? So for this question, we'll go systematically. First, draw the ratio between red, blue, and green balloons. So the ratio between red to blue is given as 5:4, while the ratio between blue and green is given as 3:7. So we had to make the blue as the get the common multiple for 4 and 3. So that becomes 12. So once the blue becomes 12, red is 5 times 3, 15. And green is 3:7. The 7 times 4 gives you 28. So the effective ratio between red, blue, and green initially is 15:12:28. Now we can have these in terms of units. So we'll assume that red balloon is 15 units, blue balloon is 12 units, and green balloon is 28 units. So the question says that he buys another 168 blue balloons and some of the green balloons are burst. So what happens with that is there is a decrease of 25%. So decrease in 25% means 75% is remaining. 75% of blue and green together. Blue and green together initially is 12 units and 28 units. So together is 40 units. So 75% of 40 units is 30 units. So now the new total is 30 units, which is green and blue together, and the red is 15 units. That gives a total of 45 units. But the new total is now given as 1440 balloons. So 45 units is equal to 1440, which means we get the value for 1 unit, 1440 divided by 45, which is 32 balloons. So once we get the value for 1 unit, we know the initial number of balloons is all the balloons together, which is 15 units plus 12 units plus 28 units, which is 55 units. So 55 times 32, 1760 balloons is the answer for part A of the question. So that's the number of balloons he had at first. Next, to find out the number of green balloons that were burst, we need to subtract the blue balloons from the sum of blue and green balloons. So the blue balloons initially was 12 units, which is 12 times 32 plus 168 balloons got added. So a total is 552 blue balloons. And the sum of blue and green balloons is 30 units, which is 30 times 32, which is 960 balloons. So when we subtract the blue balloons from the sum of blue and green balloons, we get 408, which is the number of green balloons left at the end. But we know that the number of green balloons at first was 28 units. So when we subtract 28 times 32 minus 408, which is the number of green balloons at the end, we get 488 balloons. That's the number of green balloons that was burst. So that's the answer, 488 balloons, answer for part B of the question. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more problem sums. If you have a specific question that you would like to see a video on, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.